Delegates. C# delegates are similar to pointers to functions in C or C++. A delegate is a reference type variable that holds a reference to a method. The reference can be changed at runtime. Delegates are specially used for implementing events and the callback methods. All delegates are implicitly derived from the system.delegate class. Declaring delegates, instantiating delegates, multicasting of a delegate, use of a delegate. Declaring delegates. Syntax for delegate declaration is: example, delegate declaration determines the methods that can be referenced by the delegate. A delegate can refer to a method which has the same signature as that of the delegate. Instantiating delegates. Once a delegate type has been declared, a delegate object must be created with a new keyword and be associated with a particular method. When creating a delegate, the argument passed to the new expression is written like a method call, but without the arguments to the method. For example, when the code is compiled and executed, it produces the following result. Multicasting of a delegate. The following program demonstrates multicasting of a delegate. Delegate objects can be composed using the plus operator. A composed delegate calls two delegates it was composed from. Only delegates of the same type can be composed. The minus operator can be used to remove a component delegate from a composed delegate. Using this useful property of delegates, you can create an invocation list of methods that will be called when a delegate is invoked. This is called multicasting of a delegate. When the code is compiled and executed, it produces the following result. Use of delegate. The following example demonstrates the use of delegate. The delegate print string can be used to reference methods that take a string as input and return nothing. When the code is compiled and executed, it produces the following result. Events. An event is a delegate with special features in the areas of type membership, limitations on invocation, and assignment. By having events as first-class type members, along with fields, methods, and properties, C# becomes a more component-oriented language. This means that other objects can listen for changes in your object and receive notifications via event invocations. Using delegates with events. The events are declared and raised in a class and associated with the event handlers using delegates within the same class or some other class. The class containing the event is used to publish the event. This is called the publisher class. Some other class that accepts this event is called the subscriber class. Events use the publisher-subscriber model. A publisher is an object that contains a definition of the event and the delegate. The event-delegate association is also defined in this object. A publisher class object invokes the event and it is notified to other objects. A subscriber is an object that accepts the event and provides an event handler. The delegate in the publisher class invokes a method event handler of the subscriber class. When the code is compiled and executed, it produces the following result.